Okay, I'm inside the PyCharm already. Right, launch your PyCharm first. Okay. Once you are in the PyCharm, you will see this is actually your IDE. Right. As this is the first time you are working with the PyCharm, right? Go to the top, the three line there. That is your menu. Right. You will see a help section at the last. Right. Go through the learn IDE feature. Okay, so there are quite a number of lesson here. As you can see, you can open up all this. Okay, go through them and find out how best to use PyCharm, because you will need that for your practical examination. Okay, so the more you know how to use the IDE, the better you, especially on the debugging, right? The debugging overflow, or how to use the editor, right? Things like that.